Good morning, everyone. This is your weather hazard briefing for Sunday, August 25th. The key points: low pressure will bring cooler and wetter weather again today, with daytime temperatures around 10 degrees below normal again, and increasing chances for precipitation heading later into the evening, with the best chances for wetting rains in the high terrain. Otherwise, a passing system along the U.S.-Canadian border on Tuesday and Wednesday will result in breezy winds for southern Idaho, with chances for isolated activity along our northern areas. And looking into later next week, drier and warmer weather ahead. Satellite imagery shows the center of the low now in Nevada, and that will lift northward and pass through Idaho later this evening into tonight before extending over into Wyoming tomorrow. The weather risk outlook for the next 5 days: widespread chances for showers and storms, with increased activity heading into the nighttime and overnight hours, with the best chances for the most precipitation here in the areas in yellow. And tomorrow will be active for the first part of the day as that low continues to lift through Idaho. But for the second half of the day, conditions turn pretty quiet, with quiet conditions Tuesday and most of Wednesday as well. Winds will start to increase, and we will see isolated showers and storms just for the northern extent of our area as that system passes to our north. But generally the second half of the week will be warmer and quiet, except for those breezy winds. Highs today, we'll see widespread high temperatures spanning the 50 to 70 range. And temperatures for tomorrow: widespread lows in the 30s and 40s, and high temperatures tomorrow will likely be within just a few degrees of what we'll observe for highs today. And winds today and tomorrow, generally even gusts around 20 miles per hour or less. And for precipitation amounts, so like I said, conditions will turn wetter as we head later into the day this evening. So we do have widespread chances for wetting rains, generally, or potential for up to a wetting rain, but the greatest chances for those higher precipitation amounts will be in the higher terrain above around 5,500 feet. And then as we head into the overnight hours after midnight tonight here on the right, greatest precipitation amounts will fall further east as that low shifts northeastward, with up to 1/4 of an inch possible in the eastern highlands in the Island Park region. And thunder chances for today on the left here, and then heading into the hours after midnight into the first part of tomorrow on the right side. And for our 6 to 10 day outlook, we're looking at equal chances of above normal and below normal precipitation, with above normal temperatures favored, and that'll be through the first few days of September. So just to summarize, that low pressure system that'll pass through today will bring cooler and wetter weather again today, with increasing chances for precipitation heading into the later hours, and the best chances of wetting rains in the higher terrain, where about 1/4 of an inch is possible. And in the next few days, a passing system to our north will result in breezy winds, with just chances for isolated activity along the mountains to our north. Otherwise, the latter half of next week will be drier and warmer, with temperatures returning to right around normal. If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and we hope you have a wonderful Sunday.